Wish is an e-commerce platform that primarily focuses on offering discounted products from various categories such as fashion, electronics, home goods, and more. Users can find a wide range of products at affordable prices. To make money online with Wish in 2024, follow these 20 steps in a step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners. 1. Research the market. Analyze the current trends and popular products on Wish to understand what's swell and has the potential to generate profit. 2. Identify a niche. Choose a specific product category or niche that interests you and has growth potential. 3. Evaluate competition. Study your competition to identify gaps in their offerings or areas where you can differentiate yourself. 4. Source products. Find reliable suppliers or manufacturers for your chosen products. You can use platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, or attend trade shows. 5. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, target audience, marketing strategies, and financial projections for your Wish business. 6. Set up a legal entity. Register your business and obtain necessary licenses and permits. 7. Open a Wish seller account. Apply for a seller account on the Wish platform and go through the onboarding process. 8. Set up a website or online store. Create an online presence to showcase your products and attract potential customers. 9. Optimize product listings. Write compelling titles, descriptions, and use high-quality images to make your products stand out. 10. Price your products competitively. Set prices that are competitive with other Wish sellers while ensuring you make a profit. 11. Implement efficient inventory management. Keep track of your stock levels, reorder points, and lead times to avoid stockouts or overstocking. 12. Offer exceptional customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address any issues to build a positive reputation. 13. Utilize Wish advertising tools. Use Wish ads and promotional tools to increase your product visibility and reach more potential customers. 14. Leverage social media. Promote your products on various social media platforms to expand your audience and drive traffic to your store. 15. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to showcase your products and reach a wider audience. 16. Implement email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted promotional emails to engage customers and encourage repeat purchases. 17. Analyze sales data. Regularly review your sales data to identify top-performing products and areas for improvement. 18. Expand your product range. Continuously add new high-demand products to your store to keep customers engaged and attract new shoppers. 19. Stay updated with Wish platform changes. Keep track of any updates or changes to Wish's policies and algorithms to ensure you're compliant and optimizing your listings. 20. Continuously improve. Regularly evaluate your business performance, make necessary adjustments, and stay innovative to grow your Wish business in 2024.